An ergonomic desk chair that adjusts as you move. Let's check this out. Oh, Dave Taylor here, checking out this. This is the LiberNovo Omni powered ergonomic desk chair and the StepSync footrest. So you can see I have my feet. I can also just rest my calves on here. This is so nice. But what makes this so interesting is that it actually adjusts as you move. So the armrests move, the back moves, the lumbar support moves. So as you sit at different angles, the chair actually moves around to adjust and give you the best possible support. In a minute, I'll show you exactly what that looks like, but let me just tell you a little bit more about it first. So it is a real-time motorized chair, which means you do need to charge it occasionally. That motor runs off of a battery that's part of the chair, and it should run about 30 days of daily use. If you don't tend to move around very much, you'll get more life out of it, but it's super easy to charge it when you need to. And it features what they call the Bionic FlexFit backrest with adaptive lumbar support. And one of the things you can do is you can go to a full recline, and then that lumbar support is going to be maximum, minimum, maximum, minimum, because yes, it has a built-in massage feature. It also gives you the ability to go all the way down to 160 degrees, which is almost flat, or up to 105 degrees. I'm at a nice comfortable angle here. And notice that the headrest is high enough that my head is resting on the headrest, which makes this, again, really a nice ergonomic experience. If I spin around and work at the desk, then I can get everything adjusted just so, which is really important. The unit itself, the chair part, is all multi-density memory foam. There's an elastic fabric. Like I said, the battery should last 30-ish days or so. And then the important measurement before you get one of these is the measurement of the depth of the seat you need. So from the front to the back, they have two options, 45 or 48 centimeters. And that's really a function of how tall you are. Taller people need further or deeper seats, as it were. And it can take up to 300 pounds, so even more hefty fellows can find this a very comfortable alternative. It is obviously perfect for gaming. It is great for work at home. But enough talking, let me bring my son in and let's go through a couple of these features with him showing them off. Let's start by lowering the chair. And now go through a couple of the different positions so we can see what happens to the back as you change your angle. So notice how the entire chair realigns all the different pieces for maximum support. And one more, let's take it all the way to 160 degrees. Very nice. Now turn on massage. And it's hard to see, but notice that his lumbar support in the back is lifting and then lowering and then lifting again. That is the massage feature. At the same time, notice that the footrest now works perfectly for calf support, giving him the ability to really stretch out and do that sort of spine stretch and everything. And we might have to wake him up again, but maybe he can real quick demonstrate getting back from this position into a normal work angle. And that's pretty much everything. And just so you know what he's been touching on the other side, here's what those two levers look like. It's not as glamorous as the chair, but this footrest is really nice too because it's not going anywhere, it's strong, it's solid, and of course you do have that great calf support so you can really just relax when you need to relax or just focus on your work, knowing that your body is really well supported. And this turns out to be really great. In fact, my son was telling me how just last night he was stayed up till 2 a.m. gaming. And of course, with this chair setup, he was very comfortable and he had no problems or aches, which was a pretty sweet deal. I do want to say that this is a pretty premium product, so it has a premium price tag. But if you are spending hours and hours and hours sitting, then it's really going to help not just your physical experience, but your mental acuity to have a really good chair. And that's where this is going to be a really sweet option. We do need to talk price. It is pretty spendy. Before we get there, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button, hit that bell icon for notifications of my new content, and don't be shy. Give me a thumbs up if you found this of value. Great. This and that are the LiberNovo Omni powered ergonomic desk chair, and it comes in gray or black or really cool green. This is the gray. And the chair and footrest are $869 at Amazon.com. If you want to get them in different colors, that definitely changes the price. If you want to get just the chair, that changes the price. But as a base, think about this as being around $900. Is it worth it? Well, you tell me, how important is it for you to feel comfortable and then to be refreshed when you get up rather than achy and needing to stretch? That's what this is all about. That's what I got. I think I'm going to go and try that 160-degree massage. So I'll catch you in my next video.